We strive to provide our customers with the best service possible. So when we get a 5-star review and they say things like this, we have to show it to the world. This review is a powerful testament to our policies and procedures that ensure every customer gets a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly appreciate our valued customers by paying attention to their needs and putting them first each and every time. We think this feedback proves that. So if you're looking for the best customer service, backed by years of experience, then we're the right fit for you. Thank you for dropping in today. We're looking forward to doing business with you. We are only one call away from serving you.